Let's draw a cat.
A wonky circle for a head. Circles do not need to be perfect. Little nose, upside down triangle. Upside down V for ears. And let's make this cat be kind of fat. Make a roundish body that starts in the middle of the head and give it sort of an upside down U here. And let's give it a tail. Let's give this cat some whiskers. There's our kitty. And we can give this cat some shading. I like to draw all my shading on the right hand side. I'm imagining that there's a sun over here. There's our kitty. This cat looks very content. Paws are tucked under somewhere. This fat kitty.